Cloning your lives. If you spent a lot of time setting up a live and formatting it just the way you like it and setting up automations and pricing, then you may want to use the clone feature to replicate your design into a new live that you are running. This is easily done by going to the live page. That's either one-to-one booking, live class, live webinars, or live interactive webinars, and simply clicking the three dots and clicking clone. You can then set up a clone of this. You set the time and the day, the time zone, the duration you want the live to be, and simply click clone. You can now call this a new duplicate or whatever you want to call it, and you'll have all the formatting from the original live that you cloned, like so. Cloning is used throughout Zenler and is a really quick and efficient way to save you repeating the same jobs that you've already done. As mentioned, cloning is available for one-to-one bookings, live class, live webinars, and live interactive webinars.